Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AGRX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis in the past. That's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And today, very nice move, so certainly updates need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning and get rid of that line down there. Sure, it still pertains to the chart. It's just not really relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So I want to try to keep this all as clean and just kind of clear as possible. Now, the first update that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 77 cents was an area of resistance going into today, but now with that price being up above it, that would be one of the newest areas of support. Ideally speaking, from a support standpoint, I mean, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above 90 cents. Now, if the price falls below 90, again, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, because I've already talked about 77 cents as an area of support. But along with that, you also have the purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. So keep an eye on that as the term states, moving average. So that line is going to move itself higher and higher as time goes by. So from more of a grand scheme of things type viewpoint, as long as the price stays above that purple line, then the overall chart, the bulls are fully in control of it. As far as where the sellers are hanging out at right now, pretty straightforward. Seems to be quite a bit of price congestion right up around the $1.17 mark, give or take a few pennies. So keep an eye on that going forward. Overall, though, no doubt about it, nice move today. Not just about continuing to build higher bases. And once more, really the easiest way to follow the quote-unquote higher bases, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above it, then that implies higher bases are being put into place, and that is the name of the game. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.